Are these big issues with Holland America the deal breakers that everyone says they are? We put them to the test, and the truth might actually shock you.
That's right, Addy. There's a lot to love about Holland America, but there are also a few things you'll want to keep in mind to make sure your cruise is even better. And I promise if you stick with us, by the end, you're gonna be ready.
So here's something we did not expect. Holland America is no longer just for adults. They're actually trying to attract more families by offering lower fares for kids. And sometimes kids even sail free when they're with their parents.
Yeah, we used to think of Holland America as a line mostly for older adults, but now, especially during school holidays, you'll see more families on board their ships.
So if you're looking for a quiet, adult-only vibe, try booking during off-peak times or maybe a longer, more exotic trip. That's what I'm talking about. Those tend to have fewer kids.
Okay, so another thing that surprised us, there's been some really big changes to the entertainment on Holland America ships. For years, they had this amazing partnership with the Lincoln Center stage that featured classical music performances, and when we were on the Rotterdam, it wasn't there, so I definitely missed out on that.
But now that the Lincoln Center stage is gone, and if you're a fan of classical music, you might miss out like we did. So instead, they've brought on more rock bands and more pop performances and are focusing more on like regional shows depending on where you're sailing.
If you're cruising in Alaska, you might see a dance performance, while if you're in the Caribbean, you could probably hear some steel drums. It's different, but still really cool.
Another change you'll notice is that Holland America has moved to bigger ships, but we're not talking about the mega ships like some of the other competitors.
That's right. The new Pinnacle class ships can hold over 2,600 guests, which is big, but it's not overwhelming. They've also added some nice features like the Grand Dutch Cafe for coffee lovers. They've got the new solo cabins for solo travelers.
So even though the ships are bigger, they've done a great job at keeping the experience cozy and premium.
Okay, so something we really like about Holland America is that they haven't jumped on the whole ship within a ship trend.
Yeah, on other lines, they'll have special areas that are only for the guests in suites, but with Holland America, everyone gets to enjoy the ship. They still do have the Neptune Lounge for suite guests, but it's small and out of the way.
Plus, they have something called Club Orange, which is like a VIP dining experience that anybody can pay for, no matter which cabin you book.
Okay, the one thing we love about cruising with Holland America is that the tips and gratuities are already included. This way, you don't get hit with that surprise bill at the end of your cruise unless you buy extra stuff.
Let's say if a crew member really goes above and beyond, you can always leave that extra tip. I encourage you to do so.
Yes.
It's a nice way to say thanks for the awesome service that they all do, because we love the crew. So here's a great tip. I want you to keep an eye out for those onboard deals. You see, Holland America often runs specials on their drinks, their dining, and even on their shore excursions.
And don't forget to download the Holland America Navigator app. It is super helpful for keeping track of everything that's happening on the ship, from your dining reservations to the events and your shore excursions. Now, if you're thinking of cruising to Alaska, you should know that Holland America is an expert in this region. They've been cruising Alaska for like 75 years.
And they're one of the few cruise lines that I can say can take you to Glacier Bay, which is a must-see if you're going to Alaska. It's perfect for those multi-generational families, the grandparents, the parents, and of course the kids are all gonna have a great time. So Holland America is rolling out new shows across their entire fleet. They're inspired by some of the places that you're gonna be visiting. For instance, in the Caribbean, you might see a steel drum concert. While you're in Europe, you could catch a classical trio.
These regional shows really add something special to the cruise, making it feel more connected to where you're sailing. Even though the newer ships are bigger, Holland America is still all about that premium, smaller ship feel compared to some other cruise lines.
Yeah, and the best part, they've kept things familiar, like the Music Walk, where you can find live music every night. And if you're a coffee lover, of course, that Grand Dutch Cafe is a fan favorite with the bocce ball. Did I say that right? The bocce ball, right?
Let us know in the comments on how you say it.
That chocolate eclair piece of greatness, man.
So, those are some important things you need to know before cruising with Holland America Line. We hope this helps you prepare for an awesome trip.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our travel adventures.
And if you're curious about our first experience on the Holland America Rotterdam, check out our other videos where we share all the details.